Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Our topic is section modulus of a beam. A section modulus of beam is defined as the ratio of moment of inertia of the cross section of the beam and the farthest distant point of the cross section from the neutral axis. It is denoted by capital letter Z. Now consider a beam whose cross section is B is the width and D is the depth. If the beam is subjected to bending moment mx about the xx axis, we know that there will be bending stress produced about xx axis and your xx axis will become your neutral axis, and this layer which is at farthest distance from the neutral axis and denoted by ymax, which is nothing but distance along the y-axis. So the section modulus of beam about your xx axis could be written as zxx is equal to ixx, which is the moment of inertia of beam about xx axis, upon ymax. Now consider the same beam which has been rotated by about 90 degree, so that we have xx axis vertical and yy axis horizontal. Now if this beam is subjected to bending moment about yy axis whose magnitude is my, then your beam will be subjected to bending stress along this yy axis, and this yy axis will become your neutral axis. Then if you see this top layer which is at the farthest distance from the neutral axis, and that distance is x max, which is nothing the distance about x axis, then the section modulus of the beam about your yy axis could be written as zyy is equal to iyy, which is moment of inertia of beam about the yy axis, upon x max. Next we study what is moment of resistance. Moment of resistance is defined as the maximum bending moment which the beam of a given cross section can sustain for a given maximum permissible stress. It is denoted by Mr, and mathematically moment of resistance Mr is given as I by y into sigma. So if a beam is subjected to a bending moment which has a maximum value of Bm max, to sustain the given bending moment, the moment of resistance provided by the beam should be equal to the maximum bending moment. So we have Bm max is equal to I by y into sigma. Thanks for watching In 5 Minutes.